Next, 12.13, obtain an expression for the frequency of radiation emitted when a hydrogen atom de-excites from level n to level n minus 1 for large n, so that this frequency equals the classical frequency of the revolution of the electron in the orbit. Now see, we have the equation for frequency, that is me4 upon 8 epsilon 0 square h cube into 1 upon nf square minus 1 upon ni square for the transition from ith state to fth state. Clear? Now here we have to take the transition from nth level to n minus 1th level. So in this particular equation, substitute nf equal to n minus 1 and ni, that is n. So we will get finally the equation f equal to me4 8 epsilon 0 square h cube 1 upon n minus 1 whole square minus 1 upon n square. So this multiple constant, that is as it is, and here now take cross multiplication, and here we will get n square into n minus 1 whole square in denominator, in numerator minus n minus 1 whole square plus n square. Again the constant in the multiple of this bracket will as it is. Simplify this one, minus n square plus 2n minus 1 plus this n square upon n square into n minus 1 whole square. So n square cancelled. Again we can write f equal to me4 upon 8 epsilon 0 square h cube into 2n minus 1 upon n square into n minus 1 whole square. Now here in question it is given to you for large n. So if n is very large, then 2n minus 1, that you can write nearly equal to 2n. And this n minus 1, that nearly equal to n. So now replace this 2n minus 1 by 2n and this n minus 1 by n. So we will get me4 upon 8 epsilon 0 square h cube into 2n upon n square into n square. So 1 n here cancelled. So finally we'll get me4 8 epsilon 0 square h cube into 2 by n cube. So here 2 by 8 will give you 1 by 4. So resultantly we have the frequency, that is me4 upon 4 epsilon 0 h cube n cube. Now frequency in nth orbit, that we can write speed, that is Vn, and the circumference means the distance of nth orbit, that is 2 pi Rn. Okay. Now 1 upon 2 pi as it is, then substitute Vn. Vn, that is 1 upon n is square upon 4 pi epsilon 0 1 upon h upon 2 pi. And now Rn. So here if we substitute Rn, then that is n square h square epsilon 0 upon, but that we can write in numerator pi me square. Now here cancel out which are cancelled. Then finally you will get the frequency, that is equal to me4 upon 4 epsilon 0 square h cube n cube. So this particular frequency of revolution of the electron in the nth orbit and this particular calculated frequency for the transition from nth orbit to n minus 1th orbit, both are equal. Clear to all of you?